Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, Heritage Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing how I make my fried rice. So here I've got my ingredients, but already I've started boiling the chicken. As you can see, I'm already cooking the chicken and the gizzard. So this is the gizzard. I'll just pour the remaining of it inside. It's already seasoned, so I put it inside to cook. So this is the chicken and the gizzard cooking. So I've got my rice here. This is the veg. I have green beans here. I have green peas. I have sweet corn. All vegetables you can think of. I have carrots here. This is going for the fried rice. And this is my seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. As you can see, this is here. This is my onions already diced. This is the sweet corn that I use, because normally the vegetable I buy is already mixed with sweet corn, but it's not enough. So I normally open from the tin to add in there. The curry powder for the fried rice. So, and this is my vegetable oil. We're not going to use much of the vegetable oil because the chicken already itself has got is oily, so we are going to use less oil. As you can see, I do use salt. Most of my cooking I do with Maggi and all-purpose seasoning, because I notice the Maggi and the all-purpose seasoning already have salt, so there's no need to add more salt to it. So now we are going to leave the chicken to cook, and we'll come back to check the chicken the next, let's give it about 15 minutes time. It should be cooked. Then we can start off with the fried rice. So the chicken should be ready now. It's 15 minutes since we started cooking. So let's see. Wow, as you can see. So what we're going to do now, we are going to bring out the chicken, because what we really need is the stock. We are using the stock for the fried rice, remember? So we bring out the chicken now so that we can use the stock. So you can still boil your chicken and roast it. I do that as well. So you follow me on my channel, subscribe, you will see how I do different method of chicken. You can roast it after boiling. You can roast it if you don't boil it. So this one today, after you can roast or fry it, but I'm going to roast this one when I finish instead of frying it, because it's good for us to cut down on oil. We are using oil for the fried rice, and the chicken is already very oily, like I told you before, so there's no need for us to fry it again. So it's always best to roast your chicken. I prefer roasting it. Don't get me wrong, the fried one is delicious as well. It is very delicious, but for health reasons, I think it's better for us to cut down on the amount of oil we use to cook, which is what I do. I use less oil. I don't even use salt at all, which is very good, because already the seasoning that we use already have oil, so there's no point for us to start using. So now we're going to transfer the chicken here. So we get the gizzard out now. These are the gizzard. So what I normally do, some people use liver. Liver is very good, like I said. I keep emphasizing about health. As we are growing old, we tend to cut down on certain things. So I prefer to use gizzard in place of liver. So we're going to fry the gizzard, then cut it in bits for the fried rice. So instead of liver, use gizzard. That's what I use. Some people do use liver. I said. So we bring it out. This fried rice is going to be really tasty. key is in your seasoning. When your chicken, some people buy their stock from the market, but I prefer to prepare my things from scratch. I prepare my stock. I make sure I season my chicken very well overnight. It will really help the seasoning to penetrate into the chicken, because if you just season it maybe for a couple of minutes and you start cooking it, the whole seasoning is going to be on the skin. So if you season it overnight, that's the top secret I'm giving you now. Just try it and see. You see, just season your chicken overnight, well seasoned, and then roast it or fry it or boil it, whichever way. So this is the gizzard. So what we're going to do now, we're going to drain out the stock. Just put this here. I'll put this aside because I'm going to fry it later. So we drain out the stock. Because we don't want any particles to be in the rice. So normally I drain out my stock to get a clean stock. So now we're going to heat the pot. So we're going to eat it. Like I told you, see this stock? It has oil already. The chicken is already very oily. So you see? So that is why we're not going to add much oil on the you see? There's already enough oil here. So I'm just going to add a little bit of oil to fry my stuff. Just a little bit. I think that should be enough because the chicken is really oily. So what we're going to do next, we're going to add the onion. So this is the onion. So now let's check the rice is cooked. Oh, this looks lovely. This looks lovely. See? It's cooked now. So what we're going to do, we're going to add, as you can see, we're going to add the vegetable and the gizzard. So we add the gizzard. This is the gizzard. Stir it. Have to reduce the heat a little bit. So we're going to add the vegetables. Let's work it. It's looking very nice. So the vegetable is already, like here in the UK, we get all this thing already prepared. The rice is really much. I cook very large quantity like this and then put it in the house. So you can see, this is my fried rice. So So we're gonna give it a taste. We get my plates. It's looking really appetizing. Oh, this looks lovely. Like I said, the chicken is already roasted. I've roasted the chicken already. After boiling, I roast it. So you're still going to see the chicken now. That's the rice. It's looking very nice, very lovely, very appetizing. Look at the rice. As you can see, the rice. So this is my fried rice with my roasted chicken. Remember, I boiled the chicken before roasting it. So we're gonna give it a quick taste and see. I'm so excited, I can't wait. Oh my god, it looks lovely. This is lovely. I promise you. Try it and see. Like I said, the key to a good cooking is in your seasoning, the way you season your food. Oh my god, this tastes lovely, really lovely. Try that thing. Roast your chicken, boil it and roast it. Roast it without boiling it. But remember, the key to good cooking is in the way you season your food. You don't just add water to your chicken, to your meat, to your fish. You have to season it and keep it for some time for the seasoning to penetrate inside. Even your food generally. You want to follow me? Go to my Instagram page on Glow396. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and enjoy the real cooking, heritage kitchen. Thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.